Hello everyone, in this video I will make some concentrated sulfuric acid. The video idea for today was to make cobalt salts from lithium ion batteries, but I'm not gonna do that because I already tried it and failed for some reason, and it was only the first step. So yeah, and as a European home chemist, I need a license to buy or own sulfuric acid. So I've got some car battery electrolyte which says is 30% sulfuric acid, and I'm gonna boil it down. I'm gonna boil 200 milliliters to 66 milliliters, and should be around 90 to 95% pure. But of course it only goes down to 200, and I can see 100 right here because it's half of this. But still, I'm gonna just guess and boil until it smokes a little, and when it smokes a little I'm going to stop. And warning, this is really dangerous. Concentrated hot sulfuric acid produces toxic fumes and can eat through flesh in seconds. I have thick rubber gloves. These are made from, actually, I don't know what rubber. I think it is probably either latex or PVC, but it's a lot better than one of these gloves that I'm going to show you. I've been using them because they're good, because you can use them a few times. I'm using them a lot of times, and I think they're gonna get holes eventually. So, and also in this video it's really dangerous to use them, so I'm using these thick gloves. So let's pour the sulfuric acid. But I need a funnel, so I'm going to find my funnel because I don't know. There we go. I found my funnel. Forgot where I did put it. Now I'm gonna open this bottle of sulfuric acid. And for safety measures, I also have a gas mask in case this starts fuming a lot. A face shield to protect my face, and also a wash bottle. As you can see, a regular wash bottle filled with baking soda water or sodium hydrobicarbonate, which if sulfuric acid got out the flask, I could rinse it with it and it would neutralize it and make sodium sulfate. So now let's pour the acid. Okay, it's around 200 milliliters. So now I'm gonna put my funnel into a beaker, and I'm gonna close the bottle. And it still has a lot. It's a liter of dilute sulfuric acid. So in future, when I will have a bigger bottle that can handle sulfuric acid, because I only have a 100 milliliter bottle, which is this. And it's made from polypropylene or PP, which doesn't react with cold sulfuric acid. Now I'll take my beaker and pour some water on the funnel. Can you see that bubbling? Yeah, that neutralized the funnel. It's still going here. Okay. So also I'm gonna need some boiling chips, so I'll bring those in a second. Okay, so I'm gonna make some boiling chips by smashing this glass connector from a old separatory funnel that I had. I don't have a pestle mortar, but I have the pestle, and the mortar is this can. So let's get smashing glass. Yeah, this is not safe. Yeah, this is gonna be shaky. of glassware is that? It's so strong. Yeah, I think I'm gonna grab something easier to break. Usually my glassware breaks on me so easily, and now it doesn't want to break. Really? Okay, so now I've got some boiling chips. I'm bare-handed because I don't want to cut my gloves. Because most of my gloves already are cut because of just doing stuff, trying to pick pieces like this. And yeah, this is going to be fine enough for me. So now I will turn on the heating on the maximum, and let's wait until the water boils. Oh, and also I forgot to add, I'm gonna add a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, because I think this is not pure, because under a really good bright light and a grayish background I can see it's a little yellowish, so there might be some organic stabilizers. So I'm gonna add some hydrogen peroxide, which should react with them and purify them really great. So now I'm gonna cut to the points where the sulfuric acid is boiling. Okay, so it has finished boiling down, because as you can see, it's literally, actually, if we tilt it, can you see it's syrupy? And look at the white fumes in the flask. It's already so white, and it's sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So make sure to wear respiratory protection. I have a gas mask that's rated for acid gas vapor and sulfur trioxide and here and phosgene. So okay, so now it's, as I told you, okay, it's been boiling down for almost 2 hours, and it finally got to the 60 to 67 milliliters that I was hoping for. Now I'm gonna take off the hot plate. I turned it off some time ago, and now I will put the hot plate aside. At least I will try to put it aside. Now I will cleanse it. So, got a flash. Now I'm gonna take the hot plate. I hope the breadcrumb is not gonna fall and fill the hot plate. Okay. As you can see, my sulfuric acid is still steaming. I'm gonna let this cool like that, and I'll be back when we will pour it into the bottle. Okay, so now my sulfuric acid has done boiling down, and it's now mostly cooled. It's just a little warm. And can you see how it's pretty syrupy actually? Okay, so now I'm gonna pour it into my bottle, and let's see how much I've got. Okay, let's see how much I've got. And I've got almost, yeah, it's actually pretty around the 66 milliliters I was hoping for. So this should be, it's not gonna be high purity, so I'm hoping for around 90 to 90, like 5% probably. That's all I can get by boiling. So this was a success. I made some concentrated sulfuric acid, and like always, don't forget like, share, and subscribe, and we're gonna see you next time. Bye.